apparently Jorge Soler's brawl this week was not the only brawl this week at a baseball park. These seagulls are fighting over pizza and food, and I haven't been to Oracle Park yet. But apparently the seagulls are there like at every game, and they don't go if the games aren't on. Seagulls are creatures of habit apparently, and apparently the seasons line up with their mating season or something. Something biological happens. So the seagulls go to the ball games, and that's really intense. Like, this is not a comforting number of seagulls. If you've ever walked on a beach holding a bag of fries or something, you know that those seagulls are out to get you specifically. So how do people handle this? What do you even do when the seagulls are coming at you?